getting coffee together.
What? Why is your
What?
Costs too much.
Needs a little more.
$1.65. All
Will it
right,
happen
you're
again?
recording it.
E5 sold out. Wait,
Type in
what did it say?
E5. E5.
What?
Sold out.
Sold out?
Sorry, buddy.
But there's some in there.
There's some in there and it's sold out.
Let's try another machine.
No.
There's some down to go.
He's not giving up.
He's not getting his money back.
Just a malfunction, I guess.
Oh, he's getting a Pepsi now. He's giving up on the
Oh, dude.
Are you freaking serious? Why? Honestly, why?
It happened again.
I didn't get it the first time. This machine sucks. Oh, let's see if it happened a third time. I guess not. It just keeps giving you your money back.
Hey. Where'd it go?
Still there.
No, I don't see it.
Oh,
Someone opens up in this machine.
disappeared.
It disappeared.
No, it's right there.
Oh, wait.
It's like a magic
Oh, I see it
trick.
now. I see it now.
We wanted a Pepsi and a Mountain Dew, and he gave us that. And it's all at the bottom.
Knowledge.
So that isn't working. That's what I'm understanding.
It worked earlier. Didn't it give you? Where'd it go? Didn't it give you that?
Let me go upstairs.
I got
and check
down
it.
there.
It gave us something.
I'll be right back down.
I just have a dime and a bunch of pennies. I'm not getting anything from that machine ever again.
It was his code red that they got from over here.
Why don't you try one of those machines?
Why? He's gonna get
I'm hacking the machine.
And so far it worked.
Yes. This is my first time doing this actually too.
And some of it was caught on film.
YouTube.
And then probably get arrested.
I don't remember your channel name, but I know you got
My channel
one.
name?
Yeah,
Mine is Samurai Claire.
and you did a video with the AD machine.
I did, yes.
And it was all about singing.
Yeah, not our proudest video.
Just like push it like this.
Pizza burger?
Who wants meatloaf?
I don't see no pepperoni, so it's
Who wants meatloaf?
false advertising.
Who wants it meatloaf?
Me.
Or chicken Alfredo?
Ew. I don't like those meals. I don't like those,
Lean
like,
cuisine.
single serves.
And the Stouffer's
Who wants
mac
some
and
milk
cheese.
and ice cream?
Who wants some ice cream?
Oh, me. The book, which was turned into a film and won Best Picture in 1968. Potato skins, I can get those in a big bag at Dollar Tree. Got some hot sauce.
Eggs?
Ooh, egg. No. I hate hard boiled.
Want some tomato soup?
That does sound good, actually. Italian sub.
Open door slowly.
No.
Yeah, I
Okay.
saw some of these juice types when I was in Chicago.
How about some Star-Kissed lunch to go?
To go. No.
I'm not a tuna fan
Yeah,
myself.
neither am I. Actually, I'm not a fan of any form of seafood.
Except for like shrimp and lobster and crab.
No, like any seafood.
And not even just regular old shrimp.
Not even shrimp. Dude,
like
I hate seafood.
I just said what I liked.
I like ahi tuna.
Oh, how about a cinnamon pecan coffee cake?
Why not
muffin?
Star-Kissed tuna?
But Sam.
There's some type of fish I get at Giant Eagle that I like. I forget the name of it.
What the fake jaws on your shirt?
I think I got this at Sanibel.
That's what I want.
What you think? It says it right there. He's got to get that ice. The first time it failed him.
This time it will work.
Hey!
Because I did not
Falls
spam.
out
I
after
did
that
not.
second.
I did not spam that. That's why.
Machine at the end
And
of
the
the
5.
fail.
What else are you getting?
You know what?
He did break the machine. He kind of.
I broke the machine. That was funny.
It was just a malfunction.
No.
No.
It was more than just that, Chris.
Alan, what's about this? They have the good game.
I want the game
Grape?
Watch it drop again. Watch it drop again. Watch it drop again.
Lemon lime. Because I could be a black guy.
Actually, no. What is your favorite?
I like the white. I like the white one.
Lemon lime.
Why don't they have a veg chili flavor?
I actually like the
They do a
dark.
red cherry.
I like the
More
dark
ice.
blue one.
Now, if I do this and that, or probably this with that, I get my money back.
I've seen videos of hacks before that have actually worked.
Or get your money back. I don't know how to do those. These ones are newer. I don't know how
Anyone
to do
notice that Dirk is filming Alan this?
Yes.
He's been filming this entire time.
I have. And it's been pretty fun.
I don't know. I haven't seen it yet.
I saw it. I wasn't a big
He's talking
fan.
about the upstairs cafe.
What's next on your list? If you get more ice,
Oh.
I've never had the ice.
Or you could get me that brisk lemonade to go with the fruit punch.
Oh yeah.
Nah, bro, I'm getting my E3 and it's sold out.
How many of those you buy?
3.
All of them.
I've
All
never
of them?
had ice.
What are you gonna do with all that?
It's
just
so
Or sell
enjoyable.
them for a higher
Although it's
price.
exactly like Sprite, which you said was water.
No, I was trying to trick you guys.
And thinking water was Sprite.
Yes.
Well, it's kind of like fizzy.
Of course. And the water was not.
That, sir, is how you get free
It's
money.
like tap water.
Clickbait.
Got some Scooby snacks.
They're all gone now. As you're making more colorful graphs.
Idris Elba, the new DJ.
He's definitely a good DJ. And so-
I see the new card holder on the back of your phone.
Yeah, I got it from when I visited the college. But yeah, you would be a good DJ if instead of coloring shapes, you were making good beats.
DJ Pizza Hut.
And I thought you had another calc quiz. Apparently not, because it's Friday. And calc tests on Friday always suck. The creation of the most colorful graphs you've ever seen. Eduardo wants some free chips. I thought you were hungry.
I am hungry. I mean, if you're not gonna eat them, let me have them. You're not gonna eat them?
Not this time. He was caught snapping again. Always out of control. Clickbait.
You do not get your
Congratulations,
drinks,
you're a criminal now.
but you do get free money and extra money too.